can see, there's clearly some irrigation that is up and above. So we're gonna work our nice way around that using the fact that this has different abilities of sizing to go in between all of that irrigation line. So we're gonna take our Stoneking Armor, we're gonna put it together, flip it into place like this. It's got a nice sturdy grip lock. As you can see here, it's not a cheap piece of plastic. You can see how thick it is. And then on the inside, you can actually see all these things that we put in here to make sure that it's gonna pierce the ground and keep the durability while it's in the ground when it's going in. Okay, so we're gonna go in here and see where we're sitting. I'm gonna leave this on so you guys can see more accurately. So the line's coming in this way, so we don't want these to go around on top of that. So we wanna go around it. So easy to install, super easy right now. Obviously we're in some Florida soil, but even if you're in clay or anything else like that, if you can put it in right when there's, maybe after a little bit of rain when the soil loosens up a bit, I find that's the best way. And then once it's in there, it's pretty much locked in, so it's not gonna be going anywhere. So as you can see, you can leave it at that height if you want to, or you can take a hammer in and hammer it down to the desired height that you want it to be. But this guy's not going anywhere. And it also marks for your lawn guys where exactly all your sprinkler heads are. Even if they're going around and edging, like this needs to be completely resoiled and re-edged and redrawn out with the line, because our line is already above the ground. So, but this is gonna keep it nice and safe and marked for the sprinkler guys, or for the lawn guys, I mean.